Alright, we're at gotomath.com. We're looking at some calculus problems here. We're down here in Rules of Differentiation. So we're going through all the rules. The product rule, the quotient rule, the power rule, general power rule. Anyway, those old rules there. And we're in this section here. We're looking at this particular one here. Y is equal to 5 cosine. And in parentheses, we have 6x to the 7th plus 19. It asked us to find the derivative. So that's what we're going to do. So let's move over here to the whiteboard and try to write this out. We have y is equal to 5 cosine of 6x to the 7th plus, was that 19 or 9? 19. Okay. We'll make sure we get that part right. Now, this is the one in the previous section that I told you that, look, you're going to have to memorize this. Y prime is equal to negative sine x, okay? So that's one you have to keep in mind. So since we know this now, we can easily take the derivative of this. So we rewrite the coefficient, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So I'm going to take that negative and just bring it out front here. We want to always rewrite what's in parentheses, plus 19, and then of course what's in parentheses we want to bring it out, right? Take the derivative of what's in parentheses. So we have 6 times 7 is 42. X subtracting 1 from the exponent, and you're left with 6. And the derivative of a constant is 0. So now what we've got, we'll just go ahead and bring this stuff out front. So we got negative 5 times 42 times x to the 6th and times sine of 6x to the 7th plus 19. All right. Okay, so you'll need to definitely multiply 5 times 42. So we're back over here in second grade, and hopefully we can get this right, right? 210, negative 210, x to the 6th, sine of 6x to the 7th plus 19. And that is your derivative. So the key is right, we got to know what the derivative of cosine is. Let's hopefully everything works out here, and it does. And of course you click on the help button. Well, actually I've got a little help on this one compared to what was going on in section 5. We used the chain rule, right? In other words, when you take the derivative of this sine right here, or cosine I mean, we want to take the derivative of the inside, chain it out, okay? It's known as the chain rule. So come on over, click on this right here and practice your problems. But remember, you need not go to this section until you have this section completely aced. So you'll definitely want to ace this section before we move into section 6.